In this brief video, we'll see how you can filter by multiple columns in a SharePoint library or document set or folder using key filters in MacroView DMF or MacroView Message. And we'll see that both for Office 365 SharePoint Online and on-premises SharePoint Server. Let's see key filtering work in our Office 365 SharePoint Online environment. If we click the filter icon, we can key filter based on document type. Let's choose the value analysis. Let's filter again, this time adding author is Jane Citizen. We're reducing the number of files that satisfy our filtering criterion. This time, let's filter on a column that is not a key filter, but one of the displayed columns, such as name. Name contains matrix. You can even key filter on columns that are not displayed in your current view, such as, in this case, workflow state. Let's choose workflow state approved. As you can see, we've been able to filter on a total of 4 different columns, 3 of which are key filters. We can now clear the filter by clicking the clear icon. Now let's see how we can filter on multiple columns using key filters in our SharePoint on-premise environment. Again, we click the filter button and choose, this time, affidavit as the value of document type. Click the filter button again, and this time choose Josh as the value of author. As we did with online, we can filter on a column which is not a key filter, but which is in our current view. Let's filter on version 3. So again, we're filtering on multiple columns, 2 of which are key filters, this time in our on-premise SharePoint environment. Next, let's take a look behind the scenes and see what we've got to do to configure these key filters. Let's start in the SharePoint Online environment. To have key filters, you've got to have your metadata, navigation, and filtering feature activated. Let's right-click at the site collection level and go to the browser UI, choose Site Settings, and Manage Site Features. We see that metadata, navigation, and filtering is active. Now to the library level and the library settings, metadata navigation settings option. And here are the key filters that have been defined for our SharePoint Online area. Looking behind the scenes in our on-premises SharePoint Server environment, again we need metadata navigation and filtering feature active at the site level. Manage Site Features, and we see that metadata navigation and filtering is active. To the document library level, library settings, metadata navigation settings, and here are the 2 key filters defined for this library, which we've been using in our demonstration. For more information about this and other solutions for managing documents and emails in SharePoint, contact MacroView using these details.